Okay, welcome back to the video. In previous section, we have discussed about the structure of your HTML document, and also we have displayed how to display the data to the user with the help of your heading tags, various heading tags. So in this case, we have used different types of headings here. So different types of headings we have been used like H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5, H6 headings have been used. So and then further we have also used the tags like your paragraph tag also have been used here, right? So so that's what we have discussed in the previous one. Let us in this video we'll discuss about various text formatting tags. What is the importance of text formatting is nothing but, so in a web page generally what we are going to do is, the main thing is we are going to write the text data. So this text data will be represented in the form of your paragraphs. It may be in the form of your lists. Also it may be a form of anywhere tables. Different ways we are going to represent the text data in a particular web page here. Whenever you are writing this text data, what you need to do is you need to apply basic styles to be applied to this one. For example, sometimes we need to make the text as bold. So in that case, we can apply the bold style or bold format to that particular text here. Similarly, I want to make some text as italic in nature. So then we can make it as the italic in nature. Similarly, I want to write some strong text, and I can use the strong tag. Similarly, we have different types of tags as we already spoke about bold, italic, strong. Emphasize the text is there, mark text is there, smaller text is there, some deleted stress like your strike through, and inserted text like your underlined text, and also superscript like your, for example, if you want to write H2, okay, then you can write it like this. For example, x square plus y square you want to write. So in this case, this is known as your superscript value. So similarly, you want to write H2O or some CO3 like this. If you want to write any particular formulas, in this case, this what is known as your subscript. So this is what actually we want to do the formatting for this various tags here. Let us see an example. Practically, we will do this one and we will see how to do this one practical. Right. I will create a new file here. The new file will be we'll create a format text one.html. Okay. So we have created a file. Let us see and go here. We will write it as a text formatting. Okay. So initially we will write the normal text, and normal text is nothing but you can write any text in a particular paragraph. So what I will do is I will write a normal text that is text formatting tags in HTML. So what we will do, we'll just save this one and we'll go and check the output of this. So see here, it was written normally, it was written here text formatting tags in your HTML. What I will do is, since we are making it as a separate page, so I will make it as a H1 here. So in this H1, what happens? We'll make it as just a heading. Okay, so we need to delete it. Okay, we go back here. We can see text formatting tags in your HTML. So, and also we'll apply a simple style here. We'll just align it to center. Align this one to center. So right. So now we can see text formatting tags in your HTML. So first one is we'll use another tag here, I will tell you further. Break tag also we will use here. Firstly, what we want to do is I want to write some text. This text is bold, right? Okay, bold or purely bold text. Okay, so let us see what it will be printed here. Okay, so this text is bold text, but we cannot say that this is a bold text. That it is a normal text that it is. So if you want to make it as a bold text, what we need to do is we need to just write a bold, right? So okay, so in this way, the bold text is. We'll go and see the output. So we can see here now the text is a bold in nature. So this is how the bold text should be written. So similarly, now we'll go for the next tag. What we will do is we will write a pair of break tag. So what the break tag exactly will do is it will create a new line here. Whatever you write in the next line, that will be created in a new line here. So we'll use the italic here. Italic we'll write this text is italic. Okay. So this will be the there. We'll go and check it. So this text is italic here. Right. So again we will break this one using a break tag. Okay. Next one is what we will write is we will write the strong text. Okay, strong. Okay, this text is strong text. So what is the difference between a normal text and a strong text is nothing but it will be a bit highlighted. It will be. And you can see here this is a normal text. This text is italic. This is a normal text. Okay, you can see it is light. Thin it is. So whereas strong text is nothing but it will be just like some highlighted or strong text it will be. Just like your bold text. Okay. Next one is like emphasize the text we will be writing. So right, em we will be using. This is like em emphasizes text. Okay, so we have written this. What we need to do is we just use a break. Okay, we come here. This is a emphasize the text here. So you can see here, it is clear now. This is a emphasize the text here. So this is a text. So what I will do here is I will write here. This is normal text. Okay, and we will make it simple. So see, this is the normal text, bold text, italic text. Again, this is a strong text. This is a emphasizing text. Okay. Next one is we also have like a smaller text. If you want to mention some smaller text, in that case you write small text can also be right. This text is small, right? So that can also be created here. We can go and see here. We just make a BR here. And then we go here and fix it down. This text is small text, right? So in this way, small text will be there. Next one is like a mark text we will see. So for the mark, we can use mark text. Can we use this text is mark text. Okay, so go check it. Like this is we'll just keep it BR here so to differentiate it from the previous slide. Okay, so this is a marker text, means highlighted text it will be. So similarly we also have deleted text where deleted is just like a strike. So previously we used to have strike. So this is a deleted part of text. Okay, so just for getting the break, there is a break here. This is a deleted part of your text. So similarly, like inserted text, we need for inserted text we can go and write ins inserted text. This text is inserted. Okay. So what we need here, we need a BR, just break. So this text is inserted, with just like underline, right? You can also use U for underline. So that next one is like a subscript and superscript. So subscript, to write the subscript, what we need to do is we'll write H2O as our example. First it will be sub, and what do we want to write it as sub? H2 should be sub, and next again the normal text, that is O is that. So right, so this will be there. So before this we need a BR to break this. So you can see H2O is created. So H2O is created. This is a subscript here. So similarly, we can also create like a superscript. Superscript. What we will write in a superscript is I want to create a formula like X superscript like Q. Okay. X cube superscript. So that we will be ready. So we want to see. So X cube is. So before what we will do is we'll be using BR here also. So don't confuse about the BR. BR tag is generally used to write a new line. So actually, if I don't write a BR here, this output will be displayed here itself. After this, the output will be displayed. To take the line and a new line, just like a new line, the programming language, here we use this. Right, so that is the superscript and subscript. These are all the different types of text formatting tags that are available in your HTML. Hope you understand this one. What you do is you take two paragraphs of text. You can copy from the internet, any text you can copy from the internet and apply this type of text formatting in between those particular paragraphs, like whatever the line 1, line 2. You will take randomly, you take some text. Before and after that, you open the tags like bold, italic, strong, and also you try to combine them. Combining them is nothing but, for example, let us assume that this text is bold in nature. I also want to make it as italic. So what I can do is I can write italic also. So and then where I want to do it, I want to close it here. Right after this B, I want to close it here. So I will be closing it. So this what happens, this text will be this is bold and also it is italic. You can see slightly slanted here. Okay, so this is how you can also use multiple formatting can also be used with a single text line. Okay, so this is the basic text formatting tags in your HTML. Hope you understand this topic. We will be seeing next topic, that is list in your HTML, that will be covered further. Thank you.